City Hall's heritage building, which had fallen into disrepair over the years, is one step closer to being renovated. RANETTA LaFleur has more.
The $64 million plan was today handed over to Minister of Social Cohesion, Culture, Youth and Sport, Dr. George Norton. Minister Norton urged that City Hall's restoration be used as an example for preservation of Guyana's heritage.
Every piece of infrastructure, every site, every scenery form part of the identity of our country and who we are as a people. This dear land of ours can ill afford to lose its identity. Ladies and gentlemen, the onus is on us, as the people of this land, to preserve and cherish all that it has to offer.
The restoration's estimated cost is approximately $903 million. Key findings indicate that the building can be upgraded in single or multiple phases, income can be generated for commercial purposes, and the engineers and mayor's buildings require minor works to remain in use. Town Clerk Royston King is confident the plan will be implemented.
We are very sure that this plan will not be shelved like many other plans, and we all just walk away. We are sure that those of our friends and members of the international community, and even the government and members of the private sector, who have been with us even as we took office in 2015 at City Hall, that they will continue to work with us, that they will see us through to the next stage where we will actually move to implement this plan.
Digital copies of the plan were also presented to Minister of Communities Ronald Bulkan and Town Clerk Royston King. From City Hall with videographer Anil C. Lal, RANETTA LaFleur for InfoHub.